When customers know about the PaxPortal, checking their booking becomes quick and effortless. You will find the PaxPortal URL by clicking on PaxPortal and open PaxPortal. We recommend to put a link to your PaxPortal on your website. Seeing an option to manage bookings will immediately be an eye-catcher for your customers. Customers can log in with their booking reference and email or full name, or you can add a magic link to your PaxPortal in your message templates, so your customers can open up their booking on PaxPortal without logging in. The same merge tag is used in all message templates. Once a customer receives the message, they can click on the button with the magic link to log into PaxPortal. You can also add a custom text to tickets in Booking, where you can add the link to the PaxPortal. Under Advanced Settings in the product are Ticket Settings, where you can add the link. For further assistance with PaxFlow, reach out to our team.